Hi, I'm Alec Freitag, and for this project, I set out to create a mimic of a classroom scenario where, for that classroom, they would be using a motion sensor light. And so, with COVID and everything and germs, thought this would be a good project that would utilize a light that didn't need a light switch. So you could walk into the classroom hands free to get the lights on. So this circuit would initially be tripped by the PIR sensor. It would detect when someone would enter the room, and it would start going through the circuit to turn on the light. So along with that, I'd be using a red LED to mimic the lights in the classroom. When I actually created the bill of materials for this in real life, I this would be a bunch of LED lights that would be all around the classroom. I also used a resistor in this for the LED, and also a potentiometer. And so the potentiometer would allow for the user to change the brightness of the light. So whether it's on or off, you could turn this and go from pretty much no light to full light, depending on what kind of classroom or whatever dynamic this room is for. And so with the potentiometer, I used both of the potentiometers on here to change the timing as well as the sensitivity of this sensor to get it just right so that it turns on when someone enters the classroom right away every time, and it stays on for the correct amount of time that would be reasonable, so that it wouldn't shut off while people were in the room if people weren't moving for a little bit of time. So let's go look at the circuit. So first here you can see that I have the sensor tripped by moving my fingers, and you can see that the LED light is on. At the same time, I'm switching the potentiometer to show the ability to change the brightness of the light. And then next here, I'm moving my hand in and moving it away quickly, which allows the sensor to go through its loop once, and then once it sees no motion, it turns the light off.